Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to set up and install your DHCP server on your Windows Server 2016. First, what you're going to do on your Windows server, you're going to open up the server manager. You're going to go on the top here, click manage, arrows and features, click next again, and here you're going to look for DHCP server. Select this, click add features, click next, select the restart and click install. So now we're just going to wait for the DHCP to install. Alright guys, we're back. So it has completed its installation. Now you're going to click complete DHCP configuration. Select this, click next. It should already have your username filled out here, and just click commit. So after clicking commit, your device should have restarted. After restarting, select DHCP, right click on this highlighted space, click DHCP manager. Upon clicking that, expand this, let's just expand this a bit. Select here, select IPv4, right click, new scope. So when this comes up, select next, type in a name for your scope. I will just stick with scope. And description, I'll just say test. Select next. Now here is where you can enter a range of addresses that the scope distributes. So for me, I will put 192.168.0.1, and my end IP address I will put 192.168.0. Let's put 100. Okay, you can select the length and the subnet mask. I think this one autofills for itself. Select next. So this window is where you can select your excluded address range. So I will select and when I press add, this will mean that from .90 to .100 it will exclude it from the scope. Select next. This is the least duration for your clients. I will set it for, it will reset every 10 hours. Press next. You can leave this blank if you want. Next, and next. Click finish. And when I click on the Zion scope, double click, go to address pool, you can see my starting IP address is 192.168.0.1 and it ends at 192.168.0.100, and you can see where we excluded from distribution from .90 to .100. And there you go folks, that's how you set up and install your DHCP server on your Windows Server 2016.